Welcome to Bite-Sized Future, where we break down the smartest ways to live better with tech. Let's face it, productivity tools are everywhere, but most of them either cost too much or overpromise and underdeliver. That's why today we're diving into the best free AI productivity tools you can use in 2025. These apps aren't just helpful, they're completely game-changing without costing a single cent. Let's start with Notion AI. Even with the free plan, you get access to powerful AI writing tools that help you summarize notes, auto-generate checklists, brainstorm ideas, and plan your week. It's perfect for students, creators, and anyone juggling tasks across work and life. The customization is endless, and the learning curve is super friendly. Next up is ChatGPT Free GPT 3.5. Yep, this version is still incredibly powerful for daily productivity. You can ask it to help you write emails, generate content outlines, brainstorm ideas, and even translate or summarize documents. It's like having a digital research assistant in your browser 24/7, and you don't need to upgrade to get solid results. If you're working on projects, ClickUp offers a free version with amazing AI support. You can organize your tasks, collaborate with teams, and get smart suggestions from its built-in AI. It even helps you break big goals into manageable steps. For solo hustlers and small teams, it's one of the best free project management tools available. Another must-have is crisp speed at AI. On the free plan, you get a few hours of background noise cancellation each week. It uses AI to mute barking dogs, crying babies, or street noise during Zoom calls. If you work from home or in noisy environments, this free tool can make your calls sound professional without spending a dime. Let's not forget Google Assistant and Google Calendar AI features. These are already free if you have a Google account. You can set up routines, get reminders, auto-schedule events, and even ask Assistant to find free time in your calendar. Google's built-in AI makes sure you never miss a meeting or double book your day. Trello with AI power-ups is another sleeper hit. You can use Butler, Trello's automation bot, on the free plan to set up rules, reminders, and smart task flows. Combine that with simple boards and cards, and you've got a visual task manager that practically runs itself. It's perfect for visual thinkers who love drag-and-drop simplicity. Need to stay focused? Focus Bear and Serene are minimalist AI productivity apps that are free and designed to reduce distractions. They guide you through structured work sessions, block out distractions, and help you build daily routines. The AI tracks your focus patterns and nudges you when you're falling off track. For email cleanup, Clean Email AI gives you a limited but powerful free version. It scans your inbox, suggests smart filters, and helps you unsubscribe from junk in bulk. It's a lifesaver when your inbox gets out of hand. And yes, it saves hours of clicking. And if you're into brainstorming or creative work, Ideogram AI or Tome, AI Presentation Creator, offer free access for idea mapping, storytelling, and designing beautiful slideshows with minimal effort. These tools are perfect for content creators, teachers, or entrepreneurs who need to pitch ideas fast and visually. The best part? These free tools are getting smarter every month. Developers are packing more value into free tiers because competition in the AI space is so intense. That means you win. You get powerful, intelligent productivity tools without breaking the bank. So, if you're trying to level up your productivity in 2025, you don't need to pay for fancy subscriptions. Try out the free plans of these AI tools. Combine a few of them, like ChatGPT for ideas, Notion for planning, and Google Assistant for scheduling, and watch your week organize itself. Thanks for watching Bite-Sized Future. If this helped you discover new free tools, hit subscribe and help us reach 50,000 subscribers. We're building a tech-savvy tribe who believe productivity should be smart and accessible. Let us know which tool you'll try first.